People living in the Southwest Valley speaking with their county commissioner about what they call a public safety issue. You may recall we've done several stories on groups of kids riding their bikes through traffic, causing a lot of problems on the roads. 8 News Now reporter Madison Kimbrough was at this week's meeting. She joins us from Southern Highlands with more.
Commissioner Jones hosting this public safety meeting after getting numerous complaints. Now, Metro's Enterprise Area Command and Park Police were in attendance, front and center, answering questions. An ongoing problem residents of the Southern Highlands community say is just getting worse. Kids reckless riding through traffic on e-bikes, dirt bikes, and scooters. County officials listening to residents' concerns and looking into ways to fix the issue before someone gets hurt.
Beth reached out to my office a couple of weeks ago.
Beth Cruvage, who took the lead in getting the county involved, says she's proud of how the meeting went and looks forward to seeing some change.
I thought it went great. I think the right people were at the table. Not only was Metro there, but the park police were there because this is going on not only on the streets and in the parking lots, but in the parks. There were HOA folks there. There were the owners of this plaza right here were there. They offered up, they have great cameras at Smith, so they offered up any video that we want.
Park police and Metro officers sharing their thoughts, wanting these kids' parents cited and held responsible.
The more engaged we get with the community, the more meetings we have with the actual residents of these communities that we're talking about, and we start identifying the kids by the videos, by photos and things like that, and we start heading to their homes and citing the parents, I guarantee you after the third cite, they're not going to want to pay anymore.
Ideally for us is if we could actually get names or addresses of where these kids live. And I know that there's people in the park that know who these kids are. We would love to go have conversation with the actual parents because that's where it is going to stop.
And fellow residents like Dory Beckwith also pleased to hear that the county is stepping in, whether it be by enforcing e-bike usage laws or adding more blue light cameras to catch these riders in the act.
I really want to see an ordinance or some laws put in place to protect the kids and to protect the people on the road. As they dart in and out, they don't follow the rules of the road, they taunt the drivers. Sometimes there's, 3, sometimes there's 6, sometimes there's 40.
In addition to here in the valley, officials acknowledging that this reckless riding is happening all across the country as these motorized electronic bikes are becoming more and more popular among the youth. And Commissioner Jones stating he wants to keep the conversation going by having a meeting every couple of months. Reporting here in Southern Highlands, Madison Kimbrough, 8 News Now.
Commissioner Jones also adding that a bike park in the area is in the works, but it will not include a space for motorized e-bikes or scooters. As for who the public can reach out to when they see these reckless riders, there is now a Metro officer designated to handling these calls. We have more information on our website, 8newsnow.com.